Designed to seat 4 to 6 people, this table sits perfectly with our corner benches or stackable chairs. The combination of the anti-rust powder-coated frame and the durable etched glass top gives a premium feel without the designer price tag. The pedestal base gives you flexibility with your seating options. Mix and match your favourite dining chairs or pair with garden benches, which slide perfectly underneath, taking up minimal space. Cleaning couldn't be easier. Simply wipe with a warm soapy cloth or spray down with a hose. The table is made from a sturdy but lightweight aluminium, so moving and storing your garden table couldn't be easier. And as aluminium is anti-corrosive, it won't rust, meaning you can keep your table outside all year in all weather. To keep your table at its best, we recommend storing under a cover or in your garage. The 6mm tempered glass top gives you a lightweight table which is incredibly strong and tested to British safety standards. The glass top also adds extra weight to the aluminium base to stop the wind picking up your garden table and causing unwanted damage. Discreet suckers will hold your tabletop securely in place while remaining quick and easy to remove for storage if needed. The etched top of the tempered glass gives a soft designer feel with an interior level of quality for your garden. There are no cracks or slats for crumbs or leaves to get trapped in, so the surface stays even, hygienic and easy to clean with warm soapy water. The softly etched surface has a smooth matte appearance, making sure you don't get that harsh reflection shining up at you. Each outdoor dining table has handy adjustable floor protectors, which is perfect for slightly uneven patios or decking. Simply adjust each individual floor protector to keep your table sturdy and level on all surfaces.